We got some of our world famous volunteer offset smokers rolling out of shop today, guys, by world famous. I mean, everyone at this address knows of them. Hey, for good reason, because this is a very special smoker here. First off, the main thing that's gonna set us apart is just the sheer size of this bad boy, all right? A lot of y'all may not know, I'm 7'2", 300 pounds. I'm a hell of a man. This is a hell of a smoker right here, all right? Smoke chamber, we got 130 gallons, 1/4-inch plate steel, bottom and top sliding trays here. So you got a lot of room in this bad boy. We do have a water pan shelf off here off the side. That way you don't have to take up valuable cooking space with your water pan. But that's not just it, guys. This puppy's got several upgrades, starting with our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires. Now the fold down stack, that is standard. All right, we don't charge you extra for that. That is a standard feature on the Volunteer. Step around the firebox here. Above the firebox, we've got our built-in griddle top. Now we do cut out the firebox underneath this, so this does get very hot. Grease drain into the side here. Speaking of firebox, these units have 3/8 thick fireboxes on them, 26 inches long, so you got a big firebox, plenty of room to build your fire in. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. This unit did get upgraded to our stainless steel front shelf. All right, we got a very similar rig here just on our base wheels. Didn't get the upgraded, but still got all the other goodies, griddle top, stainless shelf. You name it, it's got it. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.